Like a good Veldin. Ah. Yo, what's good, Gripbone? How you doing, man? What happened? The run died. Are you asking how the run died? Basically what happened was, somebody broke into my house and put a gun to my head and said, if you don't reset right now, I'm not actually going to shoot you because that would be a lot. But instead what I'll do is I'll shoot your TV. And I said, no, you can't do that. That's terrible. And so instead of, and you know, America always says they don't negotiate with terrorists, but sometimes you just gotta. So that's when I reset the run. And then he left before anybody noticed. But he'll probably be back in case, you know, if I ever reset again, it's probably because of the same thing, you know? Damn it, dude, I just... I heard I should come here to meme around. I swear, I will meme you. I will meme you to the ground, my friend. Don't you even start coming in here with your memes. I will meme you straight to the curb. Please, I just want to run, sir. All I ask this holiday season. Yeah. Top 3 memers from the Chillest Boys. I don't know where I stand in the meme aspect of things. It's kind of hard for me to. It's kind of hard for me to evaluate that because I have such a love-hate relationship with memes. Really, you have to look at the most popular memes in our group and then go from there, you know? Of course. Of course! Oh my god, dude, these boulders. They're ripping me a new one. I think it would be better for somebody like Slaughter or Zorp to evaluate that. Ooh, thank you, RNG, for not memeing me for once. I've literally said the word meme like 80 times already. Yo, we ran it back. Nuka, I just thought of that one tweet you showed us a while ago that was like, when you fuck a girl so good she dies. I'm about to play some Heroes, Zenny. I just want to drop my secret one. Aw, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Dude, I'm gonna probably reinstall LOL sometime in the near future. If you want to play again, I don't know if you're like dead set on Heroes now over LoL, but if you ever feel like going back to LoL, dude, I'd love to play some with you sometime. We can like Skype and shit. Talk about life. I'd be down. But yeah, dude, I hope things are going well for you these days. Don't be a stranger, man. Love having you around here. Yeah, Fifi, you can join. I mean, it'll probably just be me and my bud Seamus for, oh, fuck, I just my bad. Me and my boy Griffbone. I mean, like, we'll probably just be doing our own thing, but I'm sure we'll have room for more, you know? We don't mind casual strangers. We haven't Skyped some time. It's good to hit you right now. I feel you, man. They're like iffy for me too. But I guess that's life. For better or worse.
Hay demasiados, estamos perdidos. Refuerzos, necesito refuerzos.
Yeah, dude, if you ever just want to like chill, sack, and talk, I'm down for that too. We don't have to be playing games or anything. Yeah, dude, hit me up. Or I'll hit you up, or whatever, you know.
La asegurada. Bien hecho, señoras. Salgamos de aquí.
Yeah, dude, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for saying hi. The sound those guys make when they land on the ground is actually, you guys just can't, like, if you don't hear it, you're just not listening closely enough. See, like right here, it'll happen again. Like right there. It's just so weird. I don't get why that happens. Not when the saucers come out. Only when the guys drop from the drop ships. It's just a very strange phenomenon. You gotta listen really closely. Ready? Ready? Like, why would they program that? The bigger guys have like a more meaty fart, you know? Those guys just have like a, you know, they just have like a light little fart, you know?
Justo sobre nosotros. Gracias.
See, it's so weird. I don't get it, dude. But that's how they program the game, so who am I to question it?
Esas naves de colonización enemigas. Cada vez son más las naves. Juego a discreción.
Oh, fucking hell. There's like one hit away. Yeah. Literally one hit away. Okay. This is not the best command for Hellstall. Turret command. Not the best turret command, but we're rolling with it. We're cruising down the street in my 6-4. Now for everybody's favorite part, the 2-minute unskippable mission where all I do is farm XP. Hope you guys are ready.
se nos acerquen. Acabaremos con esta preciosidad enseguida. Hay que proteger al equipo de reparación.
I can't understand you. Can you please speak in a different language? The nerve of these guys talking in a language I can't understand. Ugh.
Las reparaciones ya casi están. Ya están. Los tiranoides han lanzado un ataque total. Necesitamos esas defensas aéreas operativas para ayer. Torretas solo fijan aviones como objetivo. De las tropas terrestres tendrás que encargarte tú. Los tiranoides no están lanzando todo lo que tienen. Están por todas partes.
Okay. This is a good Marcadia so far. The beginning wasn't perfect, but the rest of this is coming along pretty nicely. Gotta not get hit here. Alright, we got Ghost Ratchet. We're not gonna die this time. We're not gonna die here. Okay. Yeah, the beginning cost me. I'll be losing about 5 seconds here. But it's okay. What the fuck? Yo, what's good, man?
Hey, B.
You're leaving?
That's what I'm doing.
Holy shit. When are you coming back? Alright. Not bad. Okay, well, I'm not going to be here, just so you know, from the 3rd to the 10th. So, if I don't see you at any point before the New Year, have a Happy New Year's, man. Well, I'll see you before you leave, so I'll say it then. Alright, let's hope I don't get memed by this vidcomic. Dude, nice. So not bad. Took some damage and lost a little bit of a cycle, but like, pretty good. Not bad. Sub 117 entrance. Pretty good. Yeah, that was good. That was a good comment. I don't think I'm going to be losing any time here. Might lose like a second. See how it goes. Yeah, not even a second. I'll take that. Fudge.
Que viene podréis verme en la carrera de autos de choque de Florana. Vaya, qué divertido es este trabajo.
So far. Alright, let's just hope this arena goes well now.
Vaya, este payaso no dañaría ni a una mosca. Está como loco, amigo.
So, question. Oh shit. Is Ellie not doing elements?
Oh, she's just out here.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Any fun or exciting mail? Hold on. Set it up right next to me if you would. You'd be so kind. Thank you. From who? Oh, for you. In what regard? Oh, I haven't seen anything. But that doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. Yeah, that's one of those things where it's like, if you haven't heard by now, it's probably best to contact them. Oh, okay, that's my direct pop-up notice. Cool, thanks. Poopy, poopy, poopy. You peacing? Peace. Have a great holidays. Yo, wait, hold on. Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Alright, here comes the fun part, everyone. If you know this tune, feel free to sing along. IJs, mashing underneath. Ravioli, ravioli. Don't kill me, please. What a great song, huh? Dude, that height was nuts. Yo, welcome back.
Alright, I'm out.
Peace. Yo, you guys didn't sing along. Like, it's like you guys don't even know the song. Like, what's wrong with you guys? I'll just go to Aquados tonight, right now, because why the hell not? What are you calling it? Oh, my brother responded to me. Okay. Weird goal, but I'll take it. Alright, this should be a good EXP. Yeah, this is good. Oops. Oh no! I held it too long. What an interesting yet fun occurrence. Not bad, dude. The double golds. I'll take that. That Dax was even cleaner than the last one, I guess. A couple things went pretty well. A couple things went not so good. But on the whole, that was good. Fudge, dude. I always miss it on the first one at 90%. I'm just gonna do it this way. Really doesn't lose that much time. I'll be behind, but that's okay. Not bad. Yeah, this is I'm losing a lot of time here. But that's totally fine. Ugh, really bad Gemini. But that's okay. They can't all be winners. One green split. Five reds. And 2 golds. Damn, my Rogar was really good in my PB. But I know I can do better. So let's do better.
verle, sargento. Los tiranoides se preparan para lanzar un gran ataque contra nuestra base. Cuidado.
Fucking hell. Fuck.
Nave enemiga. Los
Fuck.
tiranoides están
That's
recibiendo refuerzos.
the worst thing that could have happened. I think there's still an ammo over there, but... No! Now this is just downright terrible. This is downright atrocious. All because of technical errors. Yeah. I need this.
Cuidado, los tiranoides están cruzando el puente. Fuego a discreción.
Okay, this has to be perfect. You can clutch this. Oh, what the fuck? There was another ammo? Where did that come from? Alright, well, we clutched it, so it's all good.
Parece que los tiranoides han tenido bastante. Enhorabuena, sargento. Ha estado la...
Woof. Not my
Vamos,
best.
sargento. Tenemos órdenes de neutralizar a las fuerzas enemigas que guardan ese puente.
Good.
Tenemos a las tropas tiranoides encima. Estamos rodeados. Salvad vuestras vidas. Los tiranoides están asaltando el puente. No quiero morir.
Good enough.
Sargento, alguien debería encargarse de eliminar a esos tiranoides.
Okay, that was fine. That was fine.
Esa escoria de la faz del planeta. Movámonos. Recibido. Cuidado, naves enemigas.
Gotta hit 6.
Sargento, recibimos ataques
Exactly
enemigos.
6. Let's
Necesitamos
go.
refuerzos. Vaya, tiene muy buena puntería, sargento. Cuidado. Aquí vienen. Esta vez es la definitiva. Uf,
Much
ese es
better.
el último. La water ship.
Still losing time, I believe. Yes, I am, but not 20 seconds. So, I'll take that. Nation 2 time, baby. Nation 2. God damn it, dude. Again. That's so funny. Fine. Ha, 30:01. Almost sub 30, but it's all good. Alright, we're gonna get a great Terra Palace here. We're gonna get through these next 3 planets easy peasy. I can save a lot of time on Zeldrin. Draco will be tough to save time on, but as long as I play smart and get through that, that's the worst of it. But I gotta get through this first.
Maximilian intenta zafarse de él en pleno atasco. Perfecto, me encantan las persecuciones. Lo estás haciendo muy bien, chico. Ahora evita esos láseres y reúnete con el mono en el aparcamiento del casino.
Get the fuck out of here.
El agente Clank y el mono deberán dejar aparte sus diferencias y cooperar para llegar a ese saliente. Vamos a ponerle un poco de emoción, ¿vale?
Those monkeys almost killed me, dude.
Ya no hay puente. Piensa rápido. ¿Cómo cruzaría el agente Clank?
Oh, that was close. That was very close. Do not kill me. I swear I'm friendly. I come in peace.
¡Me encanta! Bien, llegó
Okay.
el momento, el gran
¿Cuál
final.
momento?
El clan
Let's do
gigante
this.
contra el terror de Talos. No vayas a fastidiarla, chico. ¡Acción!
Oh my god,
A
no.
eso
Oh.
me refiero.
Oh, I hate this RNG. Okay, land. Good. Land again, you fat fuck. Land!
Bien, ahora
You are a
sí,
fucking piece of shit.
gigantes.
Okay, we're good now. My god, dude. This would not land. All I was asking him to do.
Golpes de Kung Fu, Clank. Eso es, Clank, patea.
Gonna lose about 10 seconds on this planet, I think. Probably a little bit more. If I had lost another run of that, I would have been really, like, not happy. Okay. A little over 10 seconds. Not a big deal. I can save time. This is where all of the time saves start. Draco will be really, really hard to save time on. But I can. Okay, never mind. I'm not saving time anymore. I gotta wait a cycle now. Butts, dude. I went for the risk strat and it didn't pay off. I gotta wait it. Gotta wait this cycle out. Yeah, I'm losing time here. But it's no big deal. Play smart. Alright, we're done with that portion. Dude, this is really good. Thankfully, that fight was really good, so I'm not gonna lose that much time.
Estrella del pop.
Let me see. When you're doing the whip jump, go into during the end of the long jump, and go to neutral. Go into the zero during the end of the long jump, then go neutral when transforming, then you can do a long jump. Okay. I definitely knew that at one point, but I appreciate the reminder. I was mostly just going for the risk strat of, what I was trying to do was the mid-air charge. It didn't pan out. So it kind of killed all my momentum. No, stop! Come on, dude. It'd also give you more distance. That's true. I'll probably just do that instead of the mid-air charge from now on. Thought I had more time. Get away from me! Get away! Go! Leave. Yo, thanks for the good luck, Crush. Fuck. Ah! I just want to save time. Damn it, dude. Alright, well here's where the time saves start. Compare against. Okay, we're still on 57 pace technically. All I'm looking for is that 58 today, boys. Get... Oh, my fucking god, dude. I fucking hate this level. Okay. Well, I missed good cycle, but I can still get bad cycle. Whatever, dude. I don't even know what I did wrong. I just, like, messed up. I knew what I should have done, I just didn't do it. Get out of here, dude! Like, what are you doing? Oh my god. This is even worse than my PB. Alright, it's okay. We'll run this back. Still plenty of time to save in a lot of other places. Alright, okay, I'm not losing any time against my PB because I made the same cycle. Dude, get out of my face! Oh, no, 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 no. Really just awful. I always, like, I don't know, dude. My vid comics are either amazing or terrible. And that's just the way it always is. No matter how much I practice them. But we'll try to we'll try to run this back. Okay. Definitely got this one in the bag. That's for sure. I'll go to this one. Dude, get the fuck out of here. Alright, I'm like getting too nervous here. I gotta just calm down for a second. Focus on my breathing. Save like a second. Yo, what's good, Sealand? Alright. Let's crank this one out. If I'm not going to be losing time, I don't think, unless this goes terribly. Let's try to prevent that from happening. This is about pretty much the exact same pace my PB had. But thankfully I have plenty of other time saves to go. Alright. Oh my god. My fucking phone speakers are not working. Get out of here! Die. Should have died in 4 hits, not 5. Damn, this is a good VidComic 3, or VidComic 4. No! 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 Fuck you! That is bullshit! That should not have happened! That is absolute horseshit. I cannot believe that. You should have been knocked back, you fucker. I can't believe I'm losing time now. And like a lot of time too. Like that's a horseshit. Oh my god, dude. Alright, whatever. It's absolute bullshit. Absolute bullshit. Alright, whatever. We're just gonna play better, I guess. You're running this back. Alright, this is fine. Take it one planet at a time. Hello? Or whatever. Okay. I hit you! I hit the circle button! Horse shit. Whatever. Okay. I can still PP by a very large margin as long as the rest of this goes well. So I just gotta pull myself together, stop the tilting, and just go at this with a new attitude. This is the start of the game. This is the very beginning. I'm not behind anything, I'm not ahead of anything. I just have to play well. Oh shit. I made that. Good. That was a very good comment 5. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Let's do this. Down 1. We got this. I can save 30 seconds on Command Center, so this planet can put me ahead. Command Center can seal the deal. I'm not gonna side flip, except for right here. That's what I'm talking about! Let's go! Let's go! We're getting the 58 right here. Really, really great Phoenix Rescue. Down 2. Let's freaking go. Let's do this. Lost 0.1 seconds. I can take that. All comes down to this. Let's do this. Fuck. That's bad. That's okay though. Knew that would happen. Okay. Just Just gotta get through Nefarious. This run is not over. It's looking good, but it's not over. Alright, this is the right damage range. Hopefully I don't get hit by this. Okay, we're in there. We are in this. Just don't get bodied. 4. We're in that. 58. Not bad.
Vencido por unos blandengues. ¡Ah! Nunca lo superaré.